this is a much better route than to walk through the damn casinos and walk all that shit.
That's true.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So here's a little status update on the $1.5 billion Madison Square Garden Sphere at the Venetian, or MSG Sphere in short. This 17,000-seat music and entertainment arena is still expected to be opened in 2023, and they recently started with installing the 19,000 by 13,500 resolution LED display on the inside, which will be the biggest in the world with about 160,000 square feet, as well as the exterior screen, which will be about 580,000 square feet. A little fun fact about the MSG Sphere is that this one is one of two MSG Spheres that are planned. The other one is being planned in London, but construction has still to start over there. Anyway, here are some shots of the current state of the MSG Sphere and the exterior light panels being put in place. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date on what is happening in and around Las Vegas. Enjoy!